Corporate buzzwords are commonly used phrases in modern workplaces that help people communicate ideas, decisions, and strategies quickly. They are especially popular in meetings, emails, and agile environments where teams need fast alignment and shared understanding. While these terms can make communication feel smooth and professional, they often simplify complex ideas into shorthand expressions that may not always be fully clear to everyone. Understanding what these buzzwords actually mean helps improve clarity, reduce confusion, and make workplace communication more effective. Everyday meeting favorites include words like alignment, which means everyone agrees on direction, goals, or priorities. It's used to confirm that teams share the same understanding before moving forward. For example, let's align on priorities before sprint planning. Synergy is another one, working together in a way that produces better results than working alone. You'll hear, sales and marketing will create synergy for this launch. Bandwidth refers to time, energy, or capacity to take on work. Like, I don't have bandwidth for another task this week. Circle back means to return to a topic later, as in, let's circle back after we get customer feedback. Touch base is to quickly check in or give updates. For instance, let's touch base tomorrow morning. Deep dive is a detailed and focused discussion. We need a deep dive into user complaints. Low-hanging fruit describes easy tasks that give quick results, such as, fixing UI bugs is low-hanging fruit. Quick win means a small, fast success that builds momentum, like, this update is a quick win for usability. Move the needle is about creating meaningful impact or improvement. This feature should move the needle on engagement. And finally, on the same page means everyone has the same understanding. For example, let's ensure we're on the same page before execution. Now let's talk about strategy and execution speak. Leverage means to use something effectively for advantage. Like, we can leverage analytics to improve decisions. Value add is something that provides additional benefit. For example, this dashboard is a value add for managers. Core competency is a company's main strength or expertise. Our core competency is cloud engineering. Scalability refers to the ability to grow without performance issues, as in, the system must support scalability. Agility is the ability to adapt quickly to change. Agility helps teams respond to market shifts. Outcome-based means focusing on results instead of just tasks, like, we follow an outcome-based delivery model. Data-driven means decisions are based on data and analytics. For example, this is a data-driven strategy. Best practice is a proven and recommended method. We follow best practices in testing. North Star is the main guiding goal or vision, such as, customer satisfaction is our North Star. And finally, roadmap is a long-term plan of goals and features. The roadmap outlines next year's releases. Alright, let's talk about some of the most common buzzwords you'll hear in today's modern workplace. First up, AI first. That's all about designing systems where artificial intelligence is right at the center. For example, we are building an AI-first platform. Next, we have automation, which basically means using technology to reduce manual work. Like automation reduces repetitive tasks. Then there's digital transformation, moving from traditional to digital systems. You might hear, the company is undergoing digital transformation. Another one is customer-centric, focusing on customer needs and experience. For instance, we follow a customer-centric approach. There's also personalization, tailoring experiences to users, as in, personalization improves engagement. And finally, innovation. That's about creating new ideas or improvements. People often say, innovation drives competitive advantage. Now, let's dive into some productivity and culture buzzwords that you'll probably hear around the office. Ownership means taking full responsibility for outcomes. For example, she showed ownership of the project delivery. Empowerment is about giving authority to make decisions. Like, empowerment helps teams move faster. Then we have transparency, open sharing of information. You'll hear, we value transparency in communication. Collaboration means working together toward goals, as in, collaboration improves delivery speed. Stakeholders are people affected by the work or decisions, so, we updated all stakeholders. Prioritization is deciding what matters most. For example, prioritization helps focus on key tasks. And last but not least, work-life balance, balancing job and personal life. People often say, we promote strong work-life balance. So, corporate buzzwords are actually pretty powerful tools for speeding up communication and creating a shared language in workplaces. But their real value depends on how clearly they're understood and used. While these terms help teams stay efficient and aligned, overuse or unclear usage can definitely lead to confusion and vague communication. The best professionals know how to translate buzzwords into simple, direct language so that ideas are understood by everyone, not just insiders.